Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to quickly and easily load and use a one-handed tape gun. So, are you ready? To load the dispenser, simply insert your roll of tape into the slot provided and ensure that the sticky side of the tape is facing down. As you can see, the sides are flexible to allow for the tape to easily fit in. Again, ensure that the sticky side is facing down and is also sitting on top of the two red plastic guides. This will ensure that whenever you use and cut the tape, the sticky end will sit nicely back on top of the guides facing down so you don't lose the end. And that's it. Your tape dispenser is now loaded. Next, to use your tape dispenser. Grab the box that you would like to tape. Pull a small amount of tape from the dispenser and place and hold it on the box where you would like the tape to start. Next, firmly pull the tape across your box until you get to the end. When you want to cut the tape, simply apply some downward pressure to the end for a nice clean cut. And there you have it. How to load and use a tape dispenser. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.